Hi everyone, welcome to the programming news video, and today's topic is what is the future of the programming languages in the next 10 to 15 years. So I just think about that video from the last few days, and I just collect some facts and figures from the internet, and I'm sharing these facts and figures with you. So now let's get started with that. So as you know, in the last 20 years, many programming languages are introduced and many frameworks of languages are uh, becoming popular. So the same thing will be going into the next 10 years. Many programming languages will be going to introduced and many framework will be growing up. So the point is here that you should not be rely on the single language or the single framework. You must have to know about the three or four framework, or maybe you have to know at least the two programming language knowledge. So if you are expert in the one language, then you must have to know the basics of the second language. So maybe sometime or by chance one language is left from the market and it do not have the many project in the same language, then you can jump on the second language easily and it will save your job also. And the second thing is that everyone is using the smartphone like the Android and iPhone. So if you want to think about that you are going to become a mobile app developer, then this is a very good thing, because the every user want to do the work with the mobile applications and it will be definitely grow in the future. So if let's say someone want to book the tickets and order the foods and everything, that they want to do it from the mobile, not from the laptops. All right. And the third thing is that around the 80% of the developer will be work around the big data, IoT, and the artificial intelligence. So your logical things and the logical programming should be good for the handling the algorithms and the complex problems, so that you can be good developers and can make good algorithms for the your IE and the big data and the IoT. All right, so your logical skills should be good. And the fourth thing is that from in the futures, the programmers will be concentrate on the core concepts and algorithms and programmings. So they are not going to worry and concerned about the server maintenance and IT infrastructure also, because they are going to handle by the computer cloudings. So as you know that the Google, Azure, and the AWS are going to become popular, and the serverless technology is also going in the trend in the future. So what is the serverless technologies, we will discuss in the next video, because if you are going to discuss in the same video, the video will be going to be long. Okay, so the next thing is that computer programming will be going to overlap with the many other jobs like the banking sector and BPO sector and the backend sector, and mainly on the paperwork documentation. These jobs are going to be finished by the programming, because the robotics and IoT and data analytics will be uh, go in the future, and they will be finish the small jobs also. And the last thing is that the programming language will be going to the core part of the education system, and even in the primary or secondary things will be going for the programming language. Is that if you a student is in the above the fifth standard or above the eighth standard, they must have to the basics of the programming language, so that if they are thinking about the future in programming language, they must have an idea about that. So I think the programming is going to be primary or secondary things in the education system also. So thanks for watching this video. These are the my points that I just find out on the internet and search on the internet. So if you are just want to know about some topics and some news, then you can comment me in this video or you can mail me, so that I can make a video on that. So don't forget to subscribe our channel because you will be get more videos in the future about the programming news and this. So thanks for watching this video.